In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding a new layer onto a GIMP project. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your project and then select the Layer tab up at the top. Select where it says New Layer. Alternatively, you can select the Shift, Control, and N key combination on your keyboard as well. And then you can modify any of your items you're looking for when you're creating a new layer and select OK to confirm. And then you should see the layer appear over here on the right side. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.